Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing an healthy whole wheat eggless chocolate brownie recipe which can be had as a weekend cheat meal or as a Sunday binge. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the recipe. These healthy eggless chocolate brownies are so moist, gooey and chocolatey. I created this chocolate eggless brownie recipe so that even vegetarians can enjoy this chocolate goodness without any guilt. So guys, make these brownies and surprise your kids and enjoy them with family and friends. To make eggless chocolate brownies, I'm using a square cake tin and I'm using virgin coconut oil to grease the cake tin, and for that I'm adding in a few drops of virgin coconut oil and then I'm greasing it with a pastry brush. Make sure you grease the sides of the pan also. Now line it with parchment paper, also known as butter paper, and make sure you leave some paper on the sides so that it is easy to pull out the brownies once it is baked. Now keep this aside. Now into a bowl I'm adding in half cup virgin coconut oil, Virgin coconut oil has a neutral taste, so into a bowl I'm adding in half cup virgin coconut oil, and into that I'm adding in 1 cup of coconut sugar. The buying link of coconut sugar will be updated below this video. Now with a hand blender I'm going to mix this really well. You can use a whisk if you don't have a hand blender. And guys, I have already made a detailed video on the health benefits of coconut sugar. I will update the link in the description box below this video so that you can understand how much coconut sugar can help you, especially if you have thyroid or PCOD related health issues. Now into this I'm adding in half cup thick home set curd. So this is half cup of thick home set curd. Now mix this well with the hand beater. Okay, now the curd, coconut sugar and the virgin coconut oil are nicely mixed, and now into this I'm going to add in the dry ingredients. So first I'm adding in 1/3 cup cacao powder. Lightly mix this up. Once it is mixed, just scrape down the sides with a spatula. Now add in 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Give this a mix. Now I have already measured half cup of whole wheat flour. Please note that I don't use store-bought whole wheat flour or atta in my recipes. So what I do is I usually buy whole wheat grains and then wash it thoroughly and sun dry it for a couple of days, and then I'll give it to the local mill to get it powdered. So I am using whole wheat flour. The plus point in using whole wheat flour is that it has only natural gluten. Store-bought wheat flour may contain added gluten. I have already measured half cup of whole wheat flour, and into that I'm adding in 1/4 teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt, half teaspoon baking powder, and give this all a mix. Now add this whole wheat flour mix into this batter little by little, and with a spatula just fold it. Now add in half tablespoon whole wheat flour into a cup, and then add in half cup of dark chocolate chips and coat the chocolate chips in the whole wheat flour. This will prevent the chocolate chips from sinking down once the brownie starts to bake, and add it into the batter. Lightly mix this up. And into the same cup add in another half tablespoon of whole wheat flour and add in half cup finely chopped cashew nuts. Mix this and allow it to get coated with the whole wheat flour. So we used extra 1 tablespoon of whole wheat flour to coat the cashew nuts and the dark chocolate chips. Add it into the batter and lightly mix this up. Just fold and mix, don't give too much pressure. Now pour this batter into the prepared cake pan. Now lightly level the top of the batter with the spatula. Sprinkle in about 1 tablespoon of dark chocolate chips over the batter and bake this in preheated oven for around 17 to 18 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius or until it is done. And now the brownies are nicely baked. I'm going to allow this to cool down for about 2 to 3 minutes in the pan and then I'll remove it from the pan. Okay, now the brownies are nicely baked and it's ready to serve. Now run a knife through the sides. You can just pull off like this and keep it on the serving plate. So guys, do try this healthy eggless chocolate brownie this weekend and let me know how this turned out. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. And if you're new to my channel, please click the subscribe button and also the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you can get notified on your phone when I upload a new video. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.